Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a no oil, no ghee, no refined sugar and a grain-free healthy laddu recipe. This laddu does not contain any grains like rice, millets, oats or wheat. A super healthy and nutrient dense laddu and a perfect healthy snack for the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. To make no oil, no ghee and grain-free laddus with sesame seeds, also known as ellu in Malayalam. I am using 2 cups of unroasted sesame seeds, which is 300 grams of sesame seeds. 3/4 cup of almonds, also known as badam. Now instead of almonds, you can use any nut of your choice like peanuts, cashew nuts, walnuts, any nut you have at hand. Half cup tightly packed grated coconut. This is fresh grated coconut. 1 cup jaggery. I am using organic jaggery which does not have any sand or dirt or dust particles. So what I did was I crushed the jaggery and measured in the cup. 7 to 8 cardamons. So these are the ingredients I am using to make this laddu. There is no oil or ghee or refined sugar needed in this laddu. First I am crushing the cardamons. Once crushed, remove the skin and grind the seeds to a fine powder. Once ground, keep this aside. Next I am roughly chopping the almonds. Once chopped, keep this aside. I am heating a cast iron kadai and I am adding in the sesame seeds. And I am lightly toasting the sesame seeds on medium flame. Sesame seeds is one of the best source of healthy natural fats. The omega fatty acids present in sesame seeds helps to promote hair growth and also helps to repair hair damage. Sesame seeds has anti-aging properties and also helps to boost your skin health. Sesame seeds are also a good source of omega-6. They also contain fiber, iron, calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. They also helps to balance our hormones. And make sure you stir the sesame seeds. We don't want the seeds at the bottom to be burned. Since I'm using a heavy bottomed cast iron kadai, it retains more heat. So it's ideal to keep on stirring it. This is a very healthy, grain-free and refined sugar, oil and ghee-free laddus which the whole family can enjoy. Children and adults can equally enjoy this healthy laddu, especially during this season. Sesame seeds helps to keep your body warm, so it's ideal to have as a winter snack. Once the seeds cracks and are roasted well, transfer to a plate. Next I am roasting the roughly chopped almonds. And I am roasting the almonds on low flame. Roasting the almonds will help to release the natural healthy fat in almonds faster and also helps to release the phytic acid content. Once the almonds are roasted, transfer to a plate. And lastly, I am adding in the half cup tightly packed fresh grated coconut. Roast the coconut until it starts to turn light golden brown in color. Roasting the coconut will help to preserve the laddus, so it is highly important that you roast the coconut and add it into the laddu. Only then the laddu will stay good for up to a month. Once the coconut has roasted and has started to turn light golden brown in color, remove it from the kadai. Allow all the 3 roasted ingredients to cool down completely. And once it has cooled down, add it into the dry mixer grinder. I am using my high speed mixer grinder. Make sure you add the almonds first along with the coconut. I have kept aside half cup of the roasted sesame seeds. Add in the ground cardamom seeds and I am going to coarsely grind all this. I pulsed it a couple of times and it is coarsely ground. Grind it for about 30 to 40 seconds or until everything is nicely mixed. And once ground, this is how it looks. the natural healthy oil or fat has started to release out. And when you press it tightly, it will hold into a round shape. So what happened is, when you ground the ingredients, the healthy fats in the ingredients released out, and that helps to bind, and you can easily roll it into laddus without adding any extra oil or ghee. Into this, I am adding in 1 cup of organic jaggery. The jaggery I am using does not contain any sand or dirt or dust particles, so I am adding it directly into the ingredients. You can increase or decrease jaggery as per your sweetness. You can increase up to 1.5 cups. And now I am going to blend again until everything is nicely mixed, giving it a couple of pulses after adding the jaggery. And now everything is nicely mixed, so I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. Transfer the ground ingredients to a bowl. Into this, I'm adding in the half cup roasted sesame seeds, which I have kept aside. And with my hand, I'm mixing all this really well. Sesame seeds, almonds and coconut has natural healthy fats, and that is enough to help it bind and roll it into a laddu. At this stage, you can check sweetness, and if you feel you need more sweetness, you can add in. Mix it really well with your hand so that the roasted sesame seeds, which we have kept aside, is nicely incorporated into the ingredients. And once nicely mixed, roll it tightly into a laddu. You just need to tightly roll it into a laddu. And there is no need to grease your hand with desi ghee or oil. Roll it really tight into a round laddu, and then roll it like this with both your hands so that it forms into a nice round shape. And you can see that the laddu is smooth and glossy on the surface. Perfectly smooth and glossy laddus. And no one will guess there is no refined sugar or desi ghee or oil in this super healthy laddus. The best part is it is completely grain free. So I'm going to roll the laddus. And when you roll the laddus, make sure you roll it tightly. Perfect laddus. I have rolled out the laddus. I got around 18 laddus with this recipe. I rolled it into slightly large laddus. If you are rolling it into medium sized laddus, you will get roughly about 20 laddus. You can see that the laddus are smooth and glossy. Not a single drop of desi ghee or oil is needed to make this healthy laddu. Let me just show you how soft this laddu is, and super healthy, loaded with natural healthy fats. So guys, do try this healthy laddu and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.